When it comes to home decor, there are many ways to combine different materials and create a unique and stylish space. One popular trend is to combine tile and wood flooring. This can be a great way to add interest to your floors and create a one-of-a-kind look for your home. If you're considering combining tile and wood flooring, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll need to choose the right type of tile. You'll also need to decide on a layout and design that complements your existing decor. And finally, you'll need to make sure that the tile and wood are properly sealed and protected from water damage. Different steps to combine tile and wood flooring. There are many homes that feature both tile and wood flooring, and this can be a great way to add both style and function to your space. However, if you're not careful, it can also be very easy to make a big mistake when combining these two types of flooring. Here are a few tips on how to combine tile and wood flooring in your home. Choosing your tile. There are many factors to consider when choosing the right tile for your home. If you are looking to combine tile and wood flooring, there are a few things you should keep in mind. The type of tile you choose will impact the overall look and feel of your home, so it's important to select a tile that complements your existing decor. In addition to aesthetic considerations, you'll also want to think about the tile's durability and ease of maintenance. Some types of tile are more prone to chips and scratches than others, so if you have active children or pets, you may want to choose a more durable option. And, of course, you'll want to make sure the tile is easy to clean so you can keep your home looking its best. Marking the area. When combining tile and wood flooring, it is important to mark the area where the two materials will meet. This will ensure a clean and straight line where the two materials meet. To mark the area, first measure the width of the tile flooring. Then, using a pencil, draw a line on the wood flooring that is the same width as the tile. Next, measure the length of the tile flooring and draw a second line on the wood flooring that is the same length. Finally, use a ruler or a straight edge to connect the two lines, creating a rectangle that outlines the area where the tile and wood will meet. Laying out the tile. When it comes to home renovations, there are endless possibilities to explore. If you're looking for a way to add both function and style to your home, consider laying out the tile to combine tile and wood flooring. This unique approach can give any room in your home a one-of-a-kind look that is sure to impress. Applying grout. The tile and wood floors in your home are two completely different materials that serve different purposes. However, you can use grout to create a seamless transition between these two flooring types. This is a great way to update your home's look without having to completely replace one of the floors. If you're considering using this type of flooring in your home, you'll need to know how to apply grout to combine the two materials. Here's a quick overview of what you need to do. 1. Choose the right grout. You'll need to use a specialized grout that is designed for use with both tile and wood. 2. Prepare the surface. Before you apply the grout, you'll need to make sure the surface is clean and free of any debris. 3. Apply the grout. Once you've chosen the right grout and prepared the surface, now this is the time to apply the grout. Finishing touches. When it comes to finishing touches, there are several options to combine tile and wood flooring. Some ideas include using a chair rail or baseboard to break up the two colors, using a border or inlay to create a design, or even using different colors of tile and wood to create a checkerboard effect. No matter which finishing touches you choose, be sure to consult with a professional before starting your project. They can help you choose the right materials and colors to achieve the look you desire.